Hi there, RX the Jin here, with a little bit of a follow-up video on my previous tutorial on extracting audio. I was asked, once you've extracted the audio, how do you sync it up with your video? So let's do that right now. So we'll click on the video, and then we'll hit Control, and then click on the audio. Now we can go and right-click, hit Group. Now your audio is stuck to your video like that. But there is a bit of an issue with it, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and cut the video like that, like that, like that, and like that. Yeah, sure, that looks good. Now when I click on it again, it's all still stuck together. So what you want to do here is you want to double click, hit Control, and then click. Now you can take this piece out individually. I'm gonna do it again. You can double click, hit Control, click, and yeah, let's put this piece here. Now you're left with these pieces of video, but the audio is still synced to them, so you can end up with something like this. Like, ooh, and that's how you sync up your audio to your video. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment, because I need more excuses to make content. Also, we have markers now. Isn't that cool?